So here is how you can replace the head of an Oral-B Vitality Pro toothbrush. So you just take the toothbrush, you remove the old head, just pull it, then you take the replacement head. Normally it should have this colored circle here, and you just insert it like this, and it's good to go. Simple as that. You can notice that the original head doesn't have that circle, but it won't matter. You just insert it like this and it should work. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.